Once there was a farmer who lost his watch in stackyard. For farmer, that lost watch had very deep sentimental value. So he searched all over to find the watch. Even after searching all among hay and corners of stackyard for long, he could not find the watch. At last he gave up and asked the help of some children playing outside the stackyard. He promised to reward them if they would find his lost watch. After knowing that they can get reward, children hurried inside the stackyard to start searching. They went through all around and all the stacks lying there but could not find the watch. After trying for long, children were not able to find that watch. They felt tired and could not look for the watch anymore, so they left. After the children left, farmer was thinking to give up the thought of looking for the watch. Same time, a child came and asked the farmer to give him a chance to find that lost watch. Farmer looked at him and thought for a while and said, "Why not? Sure, you can try if you want." So the farmer permitted the boy to go inside the stackyard. After some time, that boy came out with the watch in his hands. Farmer was happy because he got his precious watch and the boy was happy to get the reward. Farmer was surprised to see that when all failed, how that boy succeeded in finding that watch. So he asked the boy, "How were you able to find the watch?" The boy replied, "I did nothing but just sat on the ground and listened. In the silence, I was able to hear the ticking of watch and searched in the direction of ticking sound." My dear brothers and sisters, whose mind becomes unstable and fickle, it makes possible work impossible. Instability and fickleness of the mind destroy the intellect of the human being, and he does not know what he possesses. The fickle and unstable man gets distracted and upset in a little trouble. My dear brothers and sisters, learn to stabilize your mind. Think easy. The boy did not rush to here and there like the others to find the watch. He became silent and focused his mind to the ticking sound of the watch, thus found the watch. My dear brothers and sisters, any problem can be solved with just a few minutes of silence of the mind. Always allow your mind to have few minutes silence, because a peaceful mind can think better than a worked up mind, and our soul always knows what to do to heal itself. I hope you learned something from this inspirational story. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.